purpose of this program is to ensure the protection of all team members in an emergency situation, such as a tornado, hurricane, earthquake, severe storm, and etc. The personal safety of each team member is and always will be of primary importance. The procedure should be reviewed for all office locations. Additionally, training and planning should address team members who perform operations at manufacturing, assembly, and distribution locations. Emergency escape procedures. Emergency escape routes will be kept clear at all times. The escape routes and emergency procedures are documented in the following slide. A copy of the escape route and emergency procedures will be posted on the team member bulletin board. The company also has designated safe areas for team members to report to in case of an emergency. Safe areas are listed on the following slide. For fire, marked evacuation area is the West End parking lot, as well as bomb threats. For tornado, the restrooms in the center of the facility, under the conference room and break room areas, as well as the bathrooms to the front of the building in the racking area. Procedures for critical operations. Some operations in this company in which control in an emergency situation is critical to the safety of team members require special procedures for proper control, monitoring facility power, water supplies, or other essential operations. In these cases, the following team members are responsible for critical operations until their evacuation is necessary. This slide identifies the key personnel for the critical operations shutdown. This can be provided if asked. If at any time during an emergency situation the team member's safety is at risk, the critical operation is to be abandoned. Procedures to account for team members. Supervisors will be responsible to account for team members after an emergency evacuation and will be provided with a list of names of all the team members they are responsible for. This list will be updated with each new team member hired, and non-team members will be deleted. This slide identifies the responsible supervisors for roll call as well as their alternate. This slide can be provided if required. Procedures for reporting emergencies. The quicker and more efficient emergencies are reported, the greater the chance for saving lives and property. The following is the procedure for reporting an emergency. This procedure will be posted on the team member bulletin board, as well as the emergency phone number list that can be located on bulletin boards and around all phones. Alarms and PA systems. The emergency communication system will provide warning for necessary emergency actions as noted in this program. This communication system will be capable of being perceived above ambient noise or light levels by all team members in the workplace. Tactile devices may be used to alert those team members who would not otherwise be able to recognize the audible or visual alarms. Training and record keeping. Supervisors are responsible for training all team members covered under this program. At the time of initial assignment and annually thereafter, or when a team member's responsibilities change under this program. Team members responsible for leading the evacuation will be trained in evacuation inspections of closed rooms, alternate escape routes, team members that may need additional assistance, buddy systems, and hazardous areas to avoid during evacuation procedures.
Good morning, I'm Lindsay Smithson and I'm Safety Coordinator here at Taco Metals. Today we're going to talk about proper lifting techniques. One thing when you're lifting any kind of heavy object or box off the ground, you want to make sure that you lift with your legs, not with your arms and your back. I'm going to show you right now the proper lifting technique. So we're going to face the box, we're going to bend down with your legs. Okay. Lean over, pull the package to yourself, keep your back straight, and then back up. And you can walk over, and again squat down, put the box in place, back up, always maintaining a straight back, always lifting with your legs. Again, picking it off the table, bend your legs, pull the box to yourself, carry it where you need to go, put it down, squat down, deposit the box, and back up.
This concludes our emergency procedures and proper lifting techniques training. Remember, think safety first.